Hello to everyone, especially to the kids, to the primary students. I think this is grade 5 or grade 4. Please join with me to study this very, very simple divide. Okay? Divide 2 and 1/5 is divided by 1 and 1/4. So take note, this is mixed number, mixed number. So I have to rename this one to improper fraction. Okay? So this will be 5. Whatever the denominator must be denominator in here. So this will be 4. So 5 times 2, that is 10, plus 1, 11. Then 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Okay? So this will be the fixed fractions. Then change the operation to multiplication, then upside down. Upside down of 5 over 4. So this will be 4 over 5. Then multiply. So this will be 44 over 25. Since 44 is bigger than 25, so assume that this will be mixed number. So 44 divided by 25. See, it's only 1. So this will be 25. So 4 cannot be subtracted by 5, so I need to borrow from here. Borrow 1. So this is 3, then this is 14. So 14, this is 9. Then 3 minus 2, that is 1. So the answer is 1 and then 19 over 25. So this is now my final answer. That's all. Thanks for watching.